WT0308, Agnes Alcala, 25 years old, single, high school graduate with 2 years of domestic helper experience in Kuwait. Miss Alcala, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Agnes Alcala. I'm 26 years old, a high school graduate. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the second of them, and I have experience in Kuwait for 2 years as a domestic helper.
Okay. So how long is your travel time from your place to Manila?
Almost 1 hour.
So can you tell me your hobbies as an individual?
My hobby is reading and cooking.
Okay. So what kind of reading or what kind of book you are fun to read?
I like legend and about what happened to the country.
Okay. So do you think you can share those books to the children that you will take care in Hong Kong?
Of course, if they have a book, I will read them for them, for the baby.
Okay. So one of your hobbies is cooking, right?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods or dishes?
A little bit, but I'm willing to learn.
What are those Chinese foods that you know how to cook?
Chop suey and Shanghai.
Okay. So, for example, in Hong Kong, they ask you to take care of a kid or a toddler. Are you willing to take care of those toddlers?
Yes, I'm willing.
How about elderly?
No problem.
How about a newborn baby?
It's okay.
Okay. So, you have domestic experience in Kuwait, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper in Kuwait before?
Yeah. My work there always just clean the house and then the ironing.
Okay. How about washing the clothes?
No, I have a companion.
Okay. What if in Hong Kong they ask you to wash their clothes?
No problem.
Okay. Then, do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Maybe yes.
Can you tell us the step-by-step procedure in preparing the milk?
First wash the bottle and then sterilize, and then if finish, get the measurement for the bottle and the milk, and then if hot, I will try to my skin if
Okay.
it's okay or not.
Okay. So, do you know any lullaby song?
Yes.
Can you sing one for us?
Okay.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the star.
Okay, thank you very much. So, what if you're already in Hong Kong, then you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will make myself busy by doing the job, and then just pray.
Okay. So, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. So, why did you choose Hong Kong among any other countries in Asia or in the world?
I choose Hong Kong because it has a high salary, and then the people there, it's maybe kind.
Okay. Can you give your message to your soon-to-be or future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you will choose me, you can trust me by the small things small things in your house, and then you can trust me, and I'm a hardworking person.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Alcala.